All right, so here's the next one, and it says we're going to take this figure and we're going to reflect it across the x-axis. So the first thing you need to know is which one is the x-axis. So make sure you read the directions so you know which one you need to reflect over. All right, so we know this is the x-axis. Remember, this one is always the y, that one's always the x. So this is going to be your line of reflection. And so we're basically going to take all these points and flip it over. So just like the last example, I'll show you just moving it because you just see it, or we'll do it with the rules. All right, so I know these have to be the same distance. So I know it's going to go from 1 to -1. That's what that one is now. And we're just going to flip it over there, so it's going to be over here. So that one's going to be at 1, 1. So it was at 1, -1. Now it's at 1, 1. And if you look at the rule, it does say over the x-axis means we're just going to take our y coordinates and we're going to do the opposite. So it was at -1. Now it's going to go up to +1. So then you can do that, 1, 1. All right, this one is at 3, -2. So we know it's just going to take it and flip it over. So it's going to be at 3, +2. And so that was this one here, sorry, kind of going out of order. And then this one was at -1, -2, and we're just going to flip it over there. So instead of being at a -2, it's going to be at a +2. -1, +2. And then this one down here is 1, -5. And it's just going to take that y coordinate and flip it over. So it's going to be 1, +5. And then you just hit that segment and you click here and here to connect them. And it better be a image over that x-axis. So I'm just going to type in here real quick the points of reflection. And so you could go straight to here and go, oh, just change that to a positive. So that's what it means. It says do the opposite. So if it was at 1, -1, it's going to be 1 at +1. It was at -1, -2. Now it's at +2. Okay. So either way, you can either fill this out first and then plot those points, or you can just take these points, reflect it, and write them down. So hopefully that helps you with this problem.